Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel aka the Bright Shining Lights Learning Insightful Hub. If you are just getting here, my name is Peace Nomneze. I am the pilot in this learning flight experience and I'm happy to meet with you today. Thank you so much, and all our existing subscribers, thank you for staying through and sending all your comments and questions. I appreciate you all. This afternoon, I'll be completing the series I started last week regarding asking right questions and getting right documents in real estate transactions. So this is the part 2. If you haven't seen that, please, I encourage you to please log in to my YouTube channel, Peace and Nomneze, and then you will get all the necessary videos that I've posted in the past, particularly the one that I am doing the second series this afternoon. Okay, so in that video I discussed about judgment, certificate of occupancy, deed of assignment, and letter of administrations, okay, depending on the transaction. So part of what you will take home as your learning today is that any real estate transaction that you are engaging in determines the documents that you will need. Every real estate transaction is unique and different, so it's important you ask the right questions, and this can only be done where you have a real estate lawyer representing you in that transaction who is vast in real estate transactions. Okay, so today I'll be discussing the remaining 2 documents that might come up in the course of your real estate transactions. Okay, so that is deed of gift. Number 1 is deed of gift. All right, so in a situation where the person that is selling to you got the property as a gift, what you'll be asking from the person is deed of gift that is duly registered, and that deed of gift must be traceable to any root of existing root of title. It could be the C of O, it could be the deed of assignment, deed of conveyancing, depending on any state, depending on the state where you are registering the document or where you are representing your client as a lawyer. So it's important. Having the deed of gift is not sufficient in itself. There is need for you to trace the root of that deed of gift. Okay, so once you get that, once you get the root of title that is vesting that validity in that deed of gift, then that transaction is a good transaction, and you must make sure that the deed of gift has been registered in the appropriate land registry. All right, so another document I want us to talk about today is contract of sale. When do I need contract of sale? You need contract of sale where there are conditions regarding the completion of the transaction. What do I mean by that? Assuming you are buying a property and you intend to make installment payment, so it's important that you use contract of sale, which will capture the payment that you have made, the terms and conditions regarding that transaction. You will see some people, they want to buy a property from a real estate company that wants to give out their own portion of land or their own property, and there's an arrangement for installment payment until the payment is completed. Please don't just don't just make payment and then walk away with receipt. There is need to have contract of sale which will evidence all previous payment, capture all the terms and conditions that parties have agreed on. Very important. So by the time you are done with your payment, the next document that you are going to get is the deed of assignment if it's in Lagos State. Other states use deed of conveyance, like I mentioned in the previous video. So it's important that you understand this so that you know what document do I need at every stage in every real estate transactions. I believe that you have grabbed something this afternoon, and please, my next video will be on, guess what? All right, I know that you are guessing right. Okay, so we've talked about real estate for a long time. Okay, so I want to go into negotiation in real estate, and it will come under the corporate training. All right, remember, in this channel we talk about real estate, legal and corporate training. Okay, so we want to go into real estate negotiations so that we'll be able to understand what exactly is negotiation in real estate. All right, so sit back, and before you go, please subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends and colleagues, and I'll be happy to receive any questions regarding the topic I just discussed. And if you have any questions, please just email us and we'll get back to you. In the meantime, thank you so much, and please expect that video on negotiation. You don't want to miss it. Thank you and have a beautiful week ahead.